Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts on the ZTE Axon 20. So if you have already the WhatsApp application on your phone, but you need the second one for the work, for example, with separated contacts, separated number, etc., you can go to the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp business. Now just install this app. And now you can have two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. That was the first method. Now the second one. If you cannot install the WhatsApp business for any reason, you can also try to download a dual space app. So choose one of them. I have this one now. So open it, agree at terms, and allow a permission. Now just tap on the WhatsApp. And now we have the second WhatsApp app on your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.